Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting a reliable car and confirming shop access. Drive straight there now. Once at the shop, park inside the garage bay and interact with the mechanic prompt to open the menu. Make sure to check vehicle health and inventory tabs so you know whether you need repairs, respray, or performance upgrades. You're doing this to save time and money. Prioritizing damage fixes first prevents wasted upgrade costs. When ready, choose the basic repair option to stabilize the car before upgrades. Now you move through the menu deliberately. Pick repairs, then performance parts, then cosmetic changes. While installing, compare cost against expected gains. Engine and transmission upgrades change handling more than paint does. Once a mod is added, wait for the animation to finish and confirm the install so you don't waste money on glitches. You should save a preset after significant changes. This lets you revert if a mod breaks physics or doesn't fit your driving style. Keep receipts or note costs for finish by taking a test drive around the block to feel differences. Adjust tuning or suspension if it understeers or oversteers. If you encounter visual glitches or missing parts, exit and re-enter the shop or switch sessions to force a sync. This usually resolves stuck mods. Make sure to use in-game mechanic or insurance if the vehicle is destroyed while testing. This protects your investment. If upgrades don't apply properly, roll back to your saved preset and try installing parts in a different order.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.